Hello everybody, today we'll discuss the status bar. So what is status bar? This area at the bottom of the Excel. So the status bar is the last component at the very bottom of Excel program window. This one. It contains the following area. We have mode. It contains the following areas. We have mode. This area called mode. It will show the current state of Excel program. So at the beginning it said ready. That means it's normal state. If you hear typing something in Excel, you'll see the mode now is enter. If you finish, it will back to ready. Okay. If you press in the keyboard caps lock, it will tell you that the caps lock is on. So when you type, all letters will be capitals. Turn off caps lock. If you press the arrow key down, the cell will go down, the active cell. But if you want the sheet to be scrolled, when you press the arrow key, you will select scroll mode. Scroll lock, it's called scroll lock in the keyboard. So the sheet will go down and up with the arrow keys, or right and left. So it will be scroll lock. If you remove the scroll lock, then you can go up and down, and the worksheet will not move with you. Now the second area is called macro recording. If you press this area, it will tell you to record a macro, give you a name, a macro, for example macro 3, and shortcut key, for example control and N, then press OK. So for example, if I want to write my name, so I will stop this, then if I press Ctrl N, it would write it again. So for example, if I want to repeat certain activities in Excel, I will record it then, and then I can call it again to do the same steps I did before. So this is called micro recording. Okay. We have also auto calculate. For example, so in this area, this is called auto calculate. It will show the sum and the average of a certain data. So for example, if we go here, so sheet 2, and we have a table of columns of data, of numbers. So if I want to quickly sum these cells, or get the average, or get the count number of numbers, so I'll go select it, just I press the first cell, then I will drag until select last number. Now if we go to status bar, it will show me these figures again. It will show me the average, it is 1, the count, so we have 7 numbers, 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the sum of these numbers. If I select the second column, same thing. If I select a part of this number, so 3 counts, an average 2, and the sum is 6. If I select an area, not column, this area, tell me 8 numbers. These are 4 and 4, 8 numbers, and the average is 1.5, and the sum is 12. So quickly I will have overview about some numbers on a certain area. This is called auto calculate. The third area or the fourth area is called layout. It will change the layout of the sheet. So for example, if we go back to this sheet, we have normal, page layout, page break, preview. So in our case, the default is normal. The second one is called page layout. So if we click page layout, it will show me the Excel sheet as pages, like printed pages, A4 pages, for example. Okay, if I press last one, page break view, it will show me the page one. Page one has this area. If I want to show page two, for example, I can drag until I see page two. This benefit for printing if you want to print page one and page two only. If you want to reduce the size of page one, you can just click this area and move it until you reduce the size of pages. You can hide a page, so you can have page 1, page 2. When you print, it will print page 1 and page 2 only. This is called layout of the page. Okay. We have the last thing, is called zoom. So zoom, very important if you cannot see some numbers very small, or you want to make to zoom in it. So we can zoom and see the numbers bigger. Okay. Or quickly click the percentage. You can zoom in 50%. Or you can fit selection. Okay. Or normal 100%. Okay. So this is explanation of the status bar in Excel. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.